Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your device supports Face ID and runs the latest iOS. This rules out compatibility and software bugs. Next, you clean the true depth camera and remove any case or film that might block infrared sensors because even small glare stops recognition. Once done, toggle Face ID off in settings, restart the phone to clear temporary errors, and re-enable Face ID. These steps fix most simple failures quickly and prepare you for deeper troubleshooting if needed. You now perform a deliberate reset and diagnostic routine so you can isolate the issue. Reset Face ID and set it up again, moving your head slowly in a full arc to let the sensor map your face completely. Lighting should be even, not backlit. Then run diagnostics or check accessibility and screen time restrictions that might block camera or attention detection. Once checked, update or reinstall iOS to replace corrupted files. Make sure to retry Face ID after each change to track progress. You reach the final steps by securing a backup, and if prior measures failed, performing a full factory restore to eliminate deep software corruption. This often resolves elusive bugs. If Face ID still won't register, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider for true depth camera repair because hardware faults require professional work. Finally, if problems are intermittent, add an alternate appearance or use a passcode until repair is complete. This keeps your device usable while you pursue a hardware fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.